Yeah, what?
Yeah.
What you yapping about?
I'm cooking again. I told y'all.
Day 3 with the grill. Back on the grill.
What we got?
What is that? Is that a brisket?
It's a tri-tip.
It's a what?
Yeah, it's a tri-tip. My first time cooking one of these. So you know when we cut it, we got to cut it this way. The grain goes that way. Cut it. It's the grain. Yeah, I'm just letting it. I'm letting it sear. Gonna let it sear on this side 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it over, let it sear on that side 5 minutes. Today I'm smart. I put some foil on here. Easy cleanup. It took me an hour to clean this grill earlier. So.
I'm talking about his grill day 2 dirty.
Yeah.
Now it's nice and clean again.
Yeah, so I'm probably looking at about 50 minutes.
They're next.
Yeah, they're next.
They going on there next. Them duckies. Darkwing and Daffy. Darkwing and Daffy. Darkwing. Daffy. Where are you going? Oh, wow. Where are you going? They ran. Suckers. Yeah, you know. He got that big fork. He thought he was going to cook you. What's that right there in the water? Sticking up in the water. Oh, wow. I'm going to eat that. It looks ready, but I know it's not.
No, you just gotta sear it so you can lock in everything.
Oh, that looks nice.
Let that side sear a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna put it on foil and let it cook the rest of the way. Just temp it like every 15 minutes. Just get the temperature and see how it's going.
Okay.
It smells delicious.
It does. I was still filming it. I wasn't even looking at you. I'm sorry.
Wish they had smell-o-vision.
Oh man, I'm just staring at the meat and looking at straight at the grill, not even paying attention. You just talking. I'm bad filmer.
The grill's cooking high right now, so what I'm gonna do, I already got these on low. So what I'll do is once I move this over, because I'm gonna move it over on the foil, I'll turn these two sides off and just let these two sides cook. Alright? Or I might even turn this one off and let it indirectly cook. That's probably a better idea. So it'll be the cold side. Like I'm gonna turn these off now. Like I said, the grill's cooking kind of hot. And then what I'll do is turn these up right there. And then once my sweetie pie tell me that the seariness is to her liking.
Nope.
That's good.
Nope.
You want a little bit more?
A little bit more.
So once it's good, we'll go ahead and move it over and let it finish cooking on the cool side. All right, so let's see where we at. We let it go for about 15 minutes already, so I'm gonna go ahead and check it. You can see it steaming and everything. Nice and tender. So we're about 140 on this side, 150 on this side, 152. And I'll check right here. So the middle is still 133. So that means I'm just gonna flip it and then I'll temp it again in about 10 minutes. All right. So stay tuned. Let's check this thing and see what we got.
Okay.
That's the finishing product right there. It smells so good. Look how beefy it looks. Oh, it is beefy.
Duh.
We already temped it out. Look at those juices running.
Just gotta let it rest before I start chopping into it.
We already temped this thing out, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this thing rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'll slice it on the cutting board for you.
You gonna slice it?
You might slice it.
Now I'm slipped.
All right, people, the moment of truth. We're gonna slice this bad boy. Yeah. It was crunchy too. It's got some bark on there. It's good. I've never had tri-tip before. That's good. You got some real thin slices. Oh yeah. So it tipped out about 150, 160, and 170 in different areas. It's looking actually pretty good to me. Nice slices, sweetie.
Thank you.
Looks perfect.
They taught me some culinary school.
Oh, what culinary school did you go to? Same one I went to?
I went to the hood.
Oh.
I went to Betty's Kitchen. I learned from Chaz.
So if you guys haven't figured out by now, my wife doesn't like anything medium well or anything. And that actually came out pretty darn good.
I hate when I do that. Get my slices off.
There's still a slight pink, but not much at all.
When I nuke it, it'll be fine.
Yeah, she gonna nuke hers. I'm good like that. So what are you seeing?
I am seeing medium well right here. So this is all mine right here. And back here. It looks good though. Looks really good. Make it thinner.
That's the thumbnail right there. Anyway, we're gonna finish cutting off the camera. Just wanted to show you guys what the finished product looked like. We've already done our taste test and it came out really, really good. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I'm not talking on the camera, but I'm holding it because my wife's cutting beef.
I don't want to make a mess. So I'm gonna stop right
That's
there.
pretty. Yeah, leave it like that. That's a thumbnail right there.
Start.
Alright people, so that's what we got.
Bye YouTube family.
Yeah, so I'm proud of this cook. It went really well. It was really easy. I think it took me about a total of, let's say, I'll just say 50 minutes. 50 minutes probably about accurate. I did adjust the temperatures throughout. When I got to about 25, 30 minute mark, it was kind of cooking slow. So I turned it up, turned the other burner back on, and it came out just like that. So hopefully you guys will be encouraged to try this. It's a really good tender cut of beef. I think it cost us about, what, $30? Yeah, undisclosed location. This wasn't from Sam's, right?
No.
Okay, undisclosed location. Well, anyway, yeah, so...
Oh wait. This was from
No,
No?
they had the peppercorn, I think.
Oh yeah. Didn't want that.
Yeah, so... Well, yeah, so... today's Monday. So we about to get ready for work for tomorrow. And we'll see you guys on the next video. I'm going to try to put out a video at least. I'm going to try to commit to every other day. Alright? Because I still got to edit these things too. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Holla back at your favorite family.